Hi guys, this is Vidhi. Welcome back to my channel. Today's makeup look is going to be a Valentine's Day makeup look. So I have already moisturized my face and now I'm going in with this foundation by Lakme. It is the illuminating foundation. It has some shimmer to it, but today's look is going to be a very glamorous look. Hence, I'm using a foundation which has shimmer in it. As you can see, I'm taking little by little and applying it all over my face and also my neck because as you can see, my neck is visible in this top. The beauty sponge that I'm using is from Forever 21. It is really good. I got it for really cheap. It was on sale. Also, I have dabbed this beauty sponge in some water. I'm simply blending it all over my face and also do not forget to blend it on your neck as well because that is very important. Now I'm going in with a concealer to conceal my dark circles and the dark spots on my face, also the pigmentation. This concealer is by Fit Me and you'll get all the links in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. As you can see, I've also applied some concealer over my eyelids because I'm going to apply an eyeshadow and your base needs to be really good before you go in with the eyeshadow. Now I do not have any other alternatives for a loose powder. I always use the loose powder by Fit Me. It is my favorite loose powder. Also remember to use very little of the loose powder as we are just trying to set the liquid foundation with this loose powder. Do not forget to dab the excess powder from the brush because if there's a lot of powder on your face, your foundation might look very cakey. Now it's time to do our eyes. I'm taking this flat brush and I'm using the Makeup Revolution palette. It is the multi-purpose palette. I always use this palette. It has all the colors in it. I have taken a brownish orange shade as my base. I'm simply blending it with my brush. You can always use your hands and do not go over your crease line, just like I have applied it just below my crease line. Now you can take any kajal of your choice and I am going to apply it as an eyeliner over my eyelids, and you need not be very perfect while doing this because we are anyways going to smudge it using a brush. Now I'm using a very small eyeshadow brush and I am smudging this kajal all over my eyelids, and you need not be perfect here as well. I'm roughly smudging this kajal that I've applied. Now I'm going to dip my brush into a brown eyeshadow and I'm applying it over my kajal so that it gives a very smoky kind of look. This is not entirely a smoky look, it's a smudged kajal look, and you just need a brown eyeshadow with it to give it a very smoky kind of effect. Also, I know that as a beginner it is very difficult to use a brush, so I do use my fingers whenever I feel that I'm going wrong. Also, as I already mentioned, this is a very smudged kind of look, so you need not be very perfect and you need not concentrate on यहाँ पे ज़्यादा लग गया या वहाँ पे ज़्यादा लग गया. You can just go very easy with your eye makeup look. Now I'm simply going to apply a kajal like we always do. So this is how my eye makeup turned out and I really like it. Now I'm going to fill in my eyebrows using a brown eyeshadow. Here I'm going to use a coral shade to apply it over my cheekbones as a blush. Now it's time to use a highlighter and I'm using this highlighter by NYX and I really like it, and as you can see it gives you a very natural kind of highlight. Now for lips, always remember to use a very nude kind of shade because your eye look is really heavy and it's a dark color on your eyes. So remember to use a very nude kind of lip shade. I have used this by Smashbox. Quickly applying a mascara and this one's by Maybelline and we are done. So this was my smudged kajal eye look.
So there's a special product that I'm going to be using today, and it's a perfume, and I really like how this feels on me. This perfume is by a brand called Immortal, so I wouldn't recommend something that I haven't used. Not all perfumes are very long lasting, so I know that, but this one, I mean, I could smell it the next day as well. And they also send you a variety of other perfumes like the testers in a bag like this, and it has 4 of these. And I also like the Senorita one. I guess Senorita is their bestseller, but I still love TMO. Also, perfumes are a great gifting option. Also, these ones are so affordable. You get 50 ml of the product when you buy this, and I absolutely love it. I'm going to link their website in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. Also, I hope you loved this makeup look. I enjoyed filming it, and I love black, and I would definitely go with this makeup look if I step out on Valentine's Day. So guys, that's all from my side. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel below. Also, please share this video with your friends and family. I will see you next time with another video. Bye.